Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about how NLP works. NLP works by combining language science, machine learning, and computer algorithms to help computers understand and create human language. Even though the process is complex, NLP usually follows a few important steps. First comes input collection. NLP starts by collecting language data in the form of text, such as emails, messages, and articles, or speech, such as voice commands and audio recordings. This data becomes the base for understanding language. Next is text preprocessing. Before a computer can analyze the text, it has to clean and organize it. This includes steps like tokenization, which means breaking sentences into words, lowercasing to make all letters the same style, removing common words like the and stemming or lemmatization, which reduces words to their root form, such as changing running to run. These steps help simplify the text so the computer can focus on its meaning. Then comes feature extraction. In this step, the text is converted into numbers so the computer can understand it. Some common techniques include bag of words and TF-IDF, which count how often words appear, word embeddings, which turn words into vectors that represent meaning, and transformers, which are modern deep learning models that understand context across sentences. After that is model training. Machine learning or deep learning models are trained on large amounts of language data so they can learn grammar, patterns, meaning, and context. These models can classify text, detect spam, understand sentiments, translate languages, and recognize names, dates, and places. The next step is understanding and prediction. Once the model is trained, it can process new text or speech and interpret intent, answer questions, generate summaries, translate languages, or respond in a conversational way. Modern NLP models study context, tone, and structure to produce accurate, human-like responses. Finally, NLP includes continuous improvement. The system keeps learning from new data, user feedback, and real-world interactions. Over time, it becomes smarter, more accurate, and better at understanding human communication. In simple terms, NLP works by turning human language into machine-readable data, finding patterns in it, and generating meaningful responses, allowing computers to communicate more naturally and intelligently. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Leave a comment with your question. And do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.